The goal today is to get this motor and trims up out of here. That's the goal. Let's get straight to it.
Alex, run that shit back.
Hey, Devin, pipe it up.
Yeah. Oh, slow. Let's get it. Nice crib out the way, neighbors think I broke in. Chillin' with my bro, passing gas like I bro in. Nigga, how you say you getting cash, you ain't broke 10. If you can't pay for your overhead, well you broke then. Married to this shit, man, somebody throw some rice on me. Bitch, on him like I broke a limb, I got ice on me. 2 chains on, shit, and that's a dance off. Got it out the mud, shit, I had to wash my hands off. I was pulling up in some shit that was embarrassing. Now I pull up clean, kill a scene like a terrorist. Whip the Maggie out, she want me to hit it bare skin. Thinking that she special cause she pretty and she fresh skin. Left the house without her, I put a leg and I want there again. Twin Glocks on me, they both African American. When I get the pussy, tell her carry on surrogates. Lately I been focusing on stacking my asparagus. I don't fuck with niggas, so they claiming that I'm arrogant. But they suck at niggas, even found out I ain't sparing them. I done been close a couple times, ain't no more sharing love. I done helped a couple niggas out, ain't no more sharing love. I just made 10,000, I'ma tuck it like a handgun.
Purchase your tracks today.
YouTube, it's a little bit later, man, but I got the motor out. Got it out of there. It wasn't too bad. Got the motor situated. Over here nice and neat, out the way. Yeah, man. I'll catch y'all with another one, man. Stay tuned in, man. Like, share, and subscribe.